Hello friends, here is with me the 2018 edition Suzuki Access 125. This is my friend's bike. So today we are going to do general service of this moped. So today we are going to cover the three topics about the service: the engine oil, oil filter and the air filter. So let's move on with the video. You need a 14 mm ring spanner to remove the drain bolt. As you can see here, 14 size drain bolt. Always before draining out the engine oil, start the engine for 5 minutes and allow the engine oil to warm up. As you can see, the oil is draining up. Along with the drain bolt, remove the oil strainer. Remove the oil strainer and clean it up well before inserting it again. Insert the oil strainer. And the drain bolt. Check out this oil seal before inserting. It might be damaged. If it's damaged, then change this oil seal or else the engine oil may leak out. Do not over tighten this bolt, it may damage the threads. After tightening the drain bolt well, remove the oil filler cap and clean it up to remove dust. Insert the funnel and add 950 to 1000 ml of engine oil. So I have taken a 1 liter bottle. After adding oil, insert the filler cap and test for the oil level. It should be between the maximum and minimum level. You can see it is exactly between these two levels. So you can stop adding oil at this point. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification of next part of the video.